In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a share screen only meeting in Zoom. This is a very useful feature when you want to focus on sharing content without distractions from other meeting features, like video feeds of participants. Whether you're presenting a slideshow, demonstrating a software, or showing a project, this feature streamlines the presentation process and keeps the focus solely on what's important. Let's dive into the steps to get you up and running with a screen share only meeting. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoom homepage. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to the Zoom website. You should be familiar with what the homepage looks like, but if not, you'll see your usual options for hosting or joining a meeting. If you aren't logged in yet, you will want to make sure you input your credentials to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen for your account, which serves as the hub for all your meeting needs. Next, you'll want to locate the host button. This is conveniently placed on the right side of your screen on the homepage. Clicking this button will allow you to start directly hosting a meeting. This step is crucial as it initiates the process and brings up the meeting options you'll need in order to tailor your session specifically to screen sharing. Keep in mind, if this is your first time, Zoom might prompt you to download a small plugin. Follow those instructions to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you've clicked the host button, you'll see various options for types of meetings you can host. Here, you'll want to select the option specifically labeled as Screen Share Only. Choosing this will initiate a meeting without requiring you to activate video or audio from your device, focusing solely on displaying your screen to others in the meeting. This feature particularly shines when dealing with larger audiences because it helps minimize bandwidth usage by omitting unnecessary video feeds. Now, as your meeting begins, you'll notice a straightforward interface focused on sharing your screen. From here, you can select which screen or specific application you wish to display. Be sure to preview what you're sharing so you can ensure your audience sees exactly what you intend. This can include documents, web pages, or any application running on your computer. With this setup, your content takes center stage without any interruptions from video panels or participants speaking out of turn. And that's it. Remember, using Zoom's share screen only function is a fantastic way to keep your meeting organized and to the point, allowing your audience to focus entirely on the material you're presenting. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide helps you host your next seamless presentation on Zoom. If you